low-carb, high-protein nuts and seed bars na pwedeng pang snacks o pwede rin gawin mong ala cereal. So, eto, nag-prepare tayo ng ating mga ingredients. And make sure these are all low-carb approved. So, we need 1 fresh egg white. So, kung walang fresh egg whites tulad ng ginawa ko, I substituted 1 tablespoon of egg white powder and mixed it with 1 tablespoon of water. So, meron ka ng 1 egg white or 30 grams egg white. So, yung mga seeds and nuts natin, except the berries, ay kailangan i-pan-fry or i-roast natin or i-toast natin ng konti para lumabas ang mga flavors na ito. Make sure that the nuts that you will use are low-carb approved. And mas maganda rin, may seeds tayo. Off heat, you can now add the sugar-free cranberries. So, ito ay nilagay natin sa ating mga molds. Pwede rin sa flat na pan or cookie sheet. And then, lagyan lang ng silicone or baking paper. And then, i-press natin yung ating mga nuts and berries dun sa ating mga molds. Alright? And then, of course, kailangan naka-preheat na yung oven natin. Let's bake it around 20 to 25 minutes. And once baked, wag nating tanggalin agad sa pan. Let it fully cool down kasi mahirap i-handle siya. So, I hope you enjoy this and I hope you make this. Happy low-carb baking!